You guys, hope you're doing well as usual. So on the recent video where I taught you guys how to trade, literally took you guys step by step how to how to start, basic things you need to know, how to get a reliable broker, and the broker I personally recommend for you to use, and how to I gave you guys some technical analysis. I taught you guys some technical analysis also. In case you haven't watched, you would really need to go and watch this particular video right now. On this video I couldn't teach you guys how to how to log in your trading account. We registered a trading account, but we couldn't log in on our MT4 or our MT5. So that is why I made this particular video for the login. So this video is basically all about logging in your trading account on your MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, so you can start trading from there. If you remember, this is the account we created. This is the account. It was funded $500. It was funded $500 here, and so you remember what I told you is simply go to these three dots here. Go to these three dots here. You click on account information. You click on account information. What we need here is just this server and the MT5 login. So what I have to do here is come to our phone here. You simply come to MT5 account. You come to another quote here. These three dots. So if you click it, you go to this plus button. You see this plus button. Once you click the plus button, this XNES MT5. This XNES MT5, the XNES MT5 trial 9. That's what you want to type here. So you click on XNES MT5 trial 9. This is what we need. XNES Technologies Limited. So once you click it, now you come to this login. The next thing is come to this. This is the MT5 login here. The MT5 login. So this is what we copy and paste here. So let's just input that very fast. 3621. So and you input your password. So after you input your password for the server, that's where you come to this place. You click on this button here, the down arrow here. Now you look for MT5 trial 9, which is this one here. MT5 trial 9, not real. We have real account and we have trial account, which is the demo account. Remember, we registered a demo account. So you go to trial. That's the meaning of trial, a demo account. So you go to trial 9. So now you just click on login, and just like that, you see your account. You see our account funded with the $500. So the next thing you want to do is come to this quote. So the next thing you want to do is the pair you want to start trading. I gave you the major currency pairs we trade in Forex market. So from there you want to choose one out of those 7. So for you to choose, or maybe delete all these irrelevant pairs, all these pairs you don't like, any pairs maybe you made something that you don't like, you just have to go to this pen button. This pen button right here. I don't know if you see it. So you just have to click on this, click on delete, then you click on mark all, and let me say okay, and delete. So if you go back, you see that everything is deleted. Now to add a pair, you simply just have to go to this plus icon. You click on the search icon, and out of those things I told you, you just have to pick one. Let's say GBP USD. Let's search for GBP USD. So this is GBP USD, and click on plus. That's it. Just click it. You click it, and just like that, it is added. It's already added. This is it right here. You see, if you click on it, you just come to chart right here. So this is it. Now let's go to GBP USD on our chart. GBP USD. This is GBP USD on our chart. This is GBP USD on our chart. In this particular video, I told you guys that whatever you do on TradingView, this is just TradingView. This one is basically just for analysis here. Whatever you do here is what you come here to execute. This one is just basically for analysis, while this one is for execution here. So anything you analyze, maybe you analyze a buy, just like I taught you guys there. Maybe you analyzed a buy, maybe you say the market is gonna buy from here. So this is where you get to enter. So this is the GBP. This is basically just how to log in, and here. So if you come to trade, you have added what you want. You can add as much as any pair you want to add. Let's say EUR USD. Just click on plus, delete this one again, USD JPY. So just like that, you see everything is here. So now we can delete this particular one. We don't need up here because this is it. We can delete it. Now this is what we have in our account. So this is the 500. Now for you to trade, you can just basically wherever you see here, this is the GBP USD, this is GBP USD. So you just have to come to this plus icon here. You click on plus. Now you click on this dollar icon. It is already on GBP USD, but just in case you don't want GBP USD, maybe you want to trade Euro USD or you want to trade USD JPY, just click on this particular dollar icon here. That means you want to switch currency, then you just click on Euro USD. Then you want to use, this is 0 meaning, this is 0 meaning you want to start with 0.1, yeah, 0.01, 0.0, 0.01. You want to start with 0.01 or maximum 0.02 as a beginner. So this is the buy and sell button, the sell market, buy market I was telling you about here. So this is where you get to buy. You set your stop loss. This is your stop loss here. Let's see, 1.29606. That's the stop loss. For the take profit, what we are aiming for is 1.30335. So just come here, click on 1.30665. So just like that, you click on buy. That is instant execution. So in my other video, I will explain more about all these things. You know how to go about it. You just click on buy for instant execution here. So so you can buy, it can work. Yeah. So in my subsequent video here, I'll teach you guys how to go about, you know, how to go deep into this particular MT4, MT5 or MetaTrader. So what you want to do is make sure you watch this particular video just in case you haven't watched it. You know this beginner's guide, how to start trading Forex. I taught you guys literally everything you have to know, and give you guys free strategy on how to make money there. And if you like this content, please do make sure you like, you share to your friends, family, or anybody, and you know, very important to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop videos, you wanna get get a notification fast, as soon as possible. So you come and watch and learn. This is free knowledge here. This is free knowledge, and I'm giving you guys real stuff here. So I hope you have a nice day. Have a good one. Take care of yourself.